This How to 1 Minute will show you how to block a website on Chrome on iPhone. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open Settings. Tap on Screen Time. And we need to turn on Screen Time, so tap on that. Continue. This is my iPhone. And then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Content Restrictions. Enter here a screen time passcode. I'm gonna using 41 and tap on Web Content and select Limit Adult Website. In the Never Allow section, tap Add Website, and to block a website, type in the URL, tap on Done, and that's how you will be able to block a website on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.